Introduction: Why a Standout Tech Resume Matters.
A strong tech resume is your gateway to landing interviews in a competitive job market. Recruiters often spend just seconds glancing at each resume, so making yours clear, organized, and relevant is essential. In this guide, you'll learn which sections to include and how to format your tech resume to showcase your skills and experience effectively.
Contact information and professional summary.
Next, add a brief professional summary, 2 to 3 sentences highlighting your background, technical expertise, and career goals. This concise summary grabs attention and gives recruiters a reason to keep reading your resume.
Key skills and technical proficiencies.
List your most relevant skills and technologies in a dedicated section. Use bullet points for easy readability, and prioritize the programming languages, tools, and frameworks that match the job description. Be specific, including skills like Python, Java, cloud platforms, or version control systems. This helps recruiters quickly see if you have the technical qualifications they need.
Work experience and projects.
Detail your work history with a focus on achievements using action verbs and data. For each position, mention company name, role, dates, and a few bullet points describing your impact, such as optimizing systems or leading a successful deployment. Also highlight personal or academic projects, especially if you're early in your career or changing fields.
Education, certifications, and extras.
Include your highest degree, major, school, and graduation year. Technical certifications, online courses, or boot camps are also valuable. List them if applicable. Add extras like open source contributions, hackathons, or tech community involvement to demonstrate passion and continuous learning, making your resume even more compelling.
Formatting tips for maximum impact.
Keep your layout clean, use consistent fonts, and stick to 1 or 2 pages. Use clear headings and adequate white space to improve readability. Save your resume as a PDF to preserve formatting and always proofread for errors. These small details ensure that your standout resume looks polished and professional to every recruiter.